Fonjenallah Palace, Lebang, is located about 1.5 kilometers from the traditional headquarters of Lebang Fondom. This story will be presented both in Mwe and English. Today, Sunday, the 24th of March 2024, Gaza media stopped at Fonjenallah Palace, known for its beautiful landscape. His Royal Highness Chief Fonjenallah says he was formerly Fonkweta Fontem and has been on the throne as chief for 53 years.
Alanga 1951 so living bo 1968 mbiga ku ngahage bo phantom de fang alanga unchap sambia tejo ku so I mean kuri am bin hage bin bo afonta la ko anu za ndu le la cabinet ku bo min hiji so bin bo fonta la bin bo fonta phantom bin bo wala ba bin bo le fonta la ngang ma la refo ngu gamte ngu tat.
His Royal Highness adds that Fonjenallah, as well as its neighboring villages, have embarked on a weekly communal labor to maintain an alternative route from Gundeng that passes through Pier Market.
Solar panel mo ang solar panel tsongwe mbinzen ya tenten olola ko tambong le kudo ma pe a sponsor ke personal effort
no nke boyi etende etena tetele esembumbu mara aje izimwen bu struggle kambin ntra ya tena tetele mbo yimo sola ya jimbo mambo mwen de jimbo struggle kengonju ya mbo sana mbina nkwita ga wala ba njin pirite mbin njin toti fie bo nyong bi ma wo ngang kung tin ko wata ma zam jiri jibo.
Okay, wo ndo chachi bo phone
bo lo chachi bo phone ba bo awu mbo ga.
Then pa al evun gele ba yi bo nyong wo ku chu tin bo apatan jabo o bin bo ndo bo nyong fota bo ti ma wo de all the time ba le
jim bo den di jim bo ndo si bo ndang de sum bo kong le ma ga alu ma ja bo de le so bin jim bo ko le ba bo ndo me spirit wo jin de lo ndo asi bo jere ma abonde mbo ne jin tan ko azman do te bo
em bo ko ngam wo ngok ba okay pa bin bo ndo la ko tan wo zam ali yusandia
even bombo ko le ba since amo sa even te bu we let ndo for ele fa nza te wa te kwa pia te wo te ti ara yelo no ti o yi bin don lung ma sa pia
manzel fa ma fo ba tem bu pia fo abong le
no ambong ndinge bu mbong ba yi bu bombo area for te ngom fa nje e ndo ngom fa kan jen pini mo ndo ndo ta bo bu ma wo wi nganga se ngi since ba yi means ma wo bo the only source yi bu la mbong ndin bo negotiate community Ijin bu se man za ba track ni ndos man chu ten kap ban bi fi atom ban ku te ba fo ba bu le e fi zemi bu kong bu lo mun ku community ngap tat a bin bon jere le long kwa tem ko pi za bu mbong.
Okay pa pun kong ti.
The alternative road from Pier Market passes through Ariankeng Junction, where it divides into four main branches: Tungo Esota and Atraso, Tunji Lebang, Tunka Anjenquin, and Tunkatavo. The branches of roads from Katavo, Nkanjenquin, and Njielebang finally converge with the ongoing Ngundeng Ndungwe Azi Road project at Nje. Gaza media traced the alternative road maintenance project from Ariankeng Junction towards Pier Market as captured on the camera. He met a senior citizen of the noble teaching profession, Mbekungang Simon, who had this to say.
Abila Simon andungala nje Lebang nze tuungwa ma dulankangra atsanandi Mbekungang mala contribute kap ifiambo for Ukraine movement bolombu ntung me track tensa about half a kilometer and the madulankan in kap me bunje le support with 50,000 francs iyi bologo bubin tefia ndoloma ID gando shorty. Presently, nzebing bin katapila nyam to home once ndon to ngo menje ebi ngebo logo digo ba besenya ngo track nje nan contribute dabo nka be kwata bu bin besungu contribution no nyas men don go track yi motorcycle be to home ndesi if you 2,000 francs, Bible bonze and launch. Secondly, if you 10,000 francs with a bottle of whiskey. So I'm going to continue with project Bondon and Bungu, Mam continue to support. But originally, family Kungang and the Bones and Tongmeta, but I say a good go. Listen to husband, listen be then critical, don't have it criti. And Bob won't go be a support a woo. Belong good project war.
I won't go tem.
I won't,
Enantibu quarters.
Tibu quarters, but possible during dry season or rainy season.
Given that most roads are usually not passable at the heart of the rainy season, many home-based communities have resorted to alternative routes with Gundeng, Pia, Arankeng, Nje inclusive.
Excuse me, and there's a boom far a Pia and don't chunga branch have been choba. Branch ya two and Tohonso be kungang to Rankeng la. A boom critical Lebang so many. Ebin Bumbulu could remember almost like strong Aaron and Job young family. Even Tomaba, and was a toss them over. Bugaling Mumbo too expensive and sometimes impossible. Mumbo so difficult. And since you've been Bumbo main road, Yabu Saba Bahalabang Jurtum. It's don't go appear.
Pia Market, though located on the Bamileke land, has remained the main feeder market for local communities of Esota and Lebang Fondom in particular, and the BLM in general, during the crisis period, and is also appreciated for its short link to Chang. Nkimatabong Fred, for Gaza Media, reporting from Fontem.